Hello everyone, we are excited to present our PRML project titled News Authentication and Domain Classifier. Our team includes Soham, Rudra, Sahil, Preet, Raman, Kartik, and me, Abhishek. This project focuses on verifying news authenticity and classifying news domains. So these days, news spreads very fast, especially on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Twitter. But not at all of it is true, and sometimes fake news can create panic or spread hate. So we decided to build a system that can do three things. First, check whether a news article is real or fake. Then, second, identify what topic it belongs to, like politics, health, crime, etc. And third, compare it with multiple news sources online, just like how we ourselves would Google it before trusting it. So it's not just a machine learning model, it's actually designed to think like a human fact. So now moving to applications of this project, this can be used in so many real world scenarios. For example, if a news agency wants to verify breaking news, this tool can help. Secondly, if social media companies want to stop fake posts from being going viral, this system can support that. Even researchers or government bodies can track how misinformation spreads in a specific topic like COVID or elections. We feel like this project is not just academic, it has a real life value.
Let me explain how our system works. The user first inputs the news article that he wants to search. This news article is then searched through SerpApi and we obtain top 5 most relevant articles related to it. These articles are then passed through BERT, which is a deep learning model used for feature extraction. The output of the BERT model is then provided to the authenticity models as well as the domain classification models, which classify the news as true or false or determine their category as per the need. In classification, the most accurate model was the stack model. In the stack model, we have used three models as the base model, that are ANN, SVM, and random forest. The output of these models was then again fed to another ANN model, which gave the final probabilities for each category, and the domain was classified based on it.
Now I would like to discuss the results of our project. So mainly we worked on different kinds of models in which the ANN models gave an accuracy of 94.42% on true false authentication, and for domain classification the stack model gave the highest accuracy, which is 83.6%. Rest SVM, RF, and DT also gave the accuracy. Now I can show you the table which summarizes all the accuracies. These are all the accuracies of different models in domain classification and true false authentication. Now limitations. So mainly the result depends a lot on quality of search from SerpAI. And secondly, the model is trained only on the Indian based news, so it's not that capable on performance on global news. Images or videos, which are also common in the fake news today. Now now let's talk about the future work. In the future, we are planning to add global news sources to improve accuracy and reduce bias. Also include multimedia support so it can detect fake videos or images. Also, and use more advanced models to get even better performances. Now we will show you a demonstration of our project.
So this is the demo video of my project, and initially as you can see that the URL is which we got from the Google Cloud because it is deployed on the Google Cloud. And if I copy paste the news from the Google that Supreme Court's Tamil Nadu Governor verdict has message for President 2, and I enter the source as NDTV, and the time of the news is April 24. Here is an option to choose the different models, and if I use ANN to predict and click on predict, it shows me the output as true and the model confidence is 98%. Means it is saying that the news is 98.3% correct. And if I use the category, there are a number of different models. And if I use tagged model and predict using the category of it, so it gave the prediction using stacked model as terror and its confidence is 30%. Means there is a high probability that the news is of terror. Thank you.